The correct answer is letter B. Eyebrow.
The correct answer is letter A. Heel.
The correct answer is letter C. Lisa is wearing a ring on her finger.
The correct answer is letter B. Hip.
Shin. Shin. The correct answer is letter C. Shin.
That is true. The image shows a person's forehead.
That is true. The image shows that Eric has a broken leg.
The correct answer is letter A. Knuckle.
The correct answer is letter B. The athlete has knee pain.
The correct answer is letter C. My feet are cold, I need socks. The correct answer is letter A. The mom kissed her daughter on the cheek.
The correct answer is letter B. Nails.
The correct answer is letter C. Chin.
The correct answer is letter A. The baby is holding the mother's thumb.
The correct answer is letter C. My shoulder hurts from carrying a heavy bag.
The correct answer is letter C. You use your teeth to chew food.
The correct answer is letter A. She hit her elbow on the table.
The correct answer is letter B. I hurt my shin when I fell while running.
The correct answer is letter C. She is standing on her toes to reach something high.
The correct answer is letter B. Wrist.
Hey English Go Getter, you finished the quiz. Now click the link in the description to download the free worksheet. And if you want, share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And I'll see you in the next video, English Go Getter.